to set up iPhone ringtone on a Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So I'm gonna tap on the search option over here, then we're gonna use the search field at the top, and we can type iPhone ringtone. There we go. Now, as you can see, we have many different apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to get the iPhone ringtone. Now, in my case, I'm gonna choose this app over here. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna show you how to get the ringtone based on this app. However, feel free to try any other app that you can find on the in the Play Store on that list, and you can just try whatever you want to, whichever app you want to use. Now, once we have the app installed, we're gonna open it. Of course, we might see some ads in the meantime, but the app is free, so we should still be able to get the app. We should be able to get the ringtone no matter what. So let's close this. Grant all the necessary permissions to be able to change the ringtone with this app. There we go. And then over here we have our list, so we can of course tap on play in order to have a little listen, to have a little preview of the sound. And once you find the ringtone that you wish to use, just tap on these three dots on the right side. And then over here we can tap on a ringtone button. Once again, we have an ad, but that is fine. Let's just wait to be able to skip. There we go. And then we should see this message that we have set our ringtone successfully. And just to double check, of course, we're gonna go to settings, then go to sounds and vibration. And then here, let's go to the ringtone, and immediately I can see that the Apple Ring ringtone has been set up. This is the name of the ringtone that I have set up. If you have chosen a different one, there might be a different name, but we can definitely hear that the ringtone has been changed. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.